Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Kumar, host on Click Digest, and if you are considering to purchase the Microsoft Lumia 640 XL, in this video I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know about it. Let's get started. I'll start with the design and build quality of the phone, and something which makes this apart from any other Windows phone in the market is that it's a large screen Windows device. It has a 5.7-inch high definition display, and the display color quality is also very good. I'll come back to display, but before that let me show you the design and build of the phone. It uses a clamshell design. The buttons are placed on the right hand side, the volume rocker as well as the power or wake up key. They are finished in black color. On top you have the 3.5mm audio port. Left side is clean, and bottom you have this charging port. The microphone indent is provided within the phone bezel, and the clamshell design makes the back come out in one piece, which makes it easy to access the battery, which is removable. It's a 3000 milliamp battery. There are two SIM card slots, both are micro SIM 1, SIM 2. It comes with the 8 GB internal memory, so you can add more memory if you want. Talking about the build, it feels solid and it feels very nice in hand. It's a rock solid device, just like the other Lumia devices that we have tested earlier. It's sturdy and built to last. And now let me show you the display quality. For that I'll show you some videos, and you can just judge how good the display is. In my opinion, it's one of the best displays that you get in this price segment. It's large, it's beautiful, and comes with a beautiful 5.7-inch panel which comes with high contrast levels. It gives you sharp and rich colors, deep tones, and the color production is also very good. Although the audio levels are not something that I am impressed with, the kind of audio that it delivers could have been louder, but it is at the same time not that bad. So audio is clear, but it's not very loud. Moving on, now let me show you the camera of this phone, which is another USP. I'm really impressed with the results that it is delivering me, and let me show you some pictures. It has a 13 megapixel camera at the rear, which comes with Zeiss optic and autofocus LED, and a 5 megapixel front facing shooter. And here are some shots that I have clicked with this camera. This one shows you how good is the aperture on this phone, and it is taking these front objects in very sharp focus, while the rear objects are kind of blurred out and in bokeh effect. And this is another shot that I have taken randomly and comes out to be very nice. It catches the tones very good. The front camera captures a lot of wide angle and gives you a lot of detail, and you can zoom into the picture and the pixels will not break easily. You can see a lot of detailing in the picture. You can see the fabric on my shirt here very clearly. This is the kind of detailing that it is delivering with the front facing camera, which is phenomenal. And also in this price range, it's a very good camera phone if you are considering to buy a phone. So I'm impressed with the set of cameras that this phone has. It can also shoot full high definition videos at 30 frames per second with the rear camera. So both the front camera and rear cameras are very powerful. Also the camera UI gives you a lot of control. If you want to shoot in a manual mode, you can just swipe it like this, and it gives you all the options like the white balance, exposure, focus, ISO, shutter speed, etc., all at your fingertips. If you don't want to mess with these things, you can just keep it in automatic mode and shoot with default settings. It gives you easy toggles to change these settings as well. So the camera is fairly loaded and is very impressive on this phone. And if you are fond of playing games and want to play games on this large screen device, this will not disappoint you. You can play moderate to heavy games easily. It comes with a 1.2 GHz quad-core CPU, 1 GB of RAM, so it gives you decent gaming performance. Let me show you a quick sample of gaming. I'm playing Gold Rush here, and we have done a separate video on gaming, so you can check out the other video as well. I'm leaving a link to more videos in the description section where you can check out the detailed gaming review of this phone if you are interested in watching full gaming review. Talking of the specs, this phone comes with 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB internal memory, 1.2 GHz quad-core CPU by Snapdragon 400 family, and gives you Windows Phone 8.1 operating system, which comes with swipe down toggles. You can quickly access things, and it also comes with a feature called glance screen, wherein you can just peek like this and it will show you clock and notifications. You can also set your home screen to show the weather, etc. It also comes with a very useful feature, which is double tap to wake up, which you usually get in expensive phones only. Let me also give you internet browsing experience, and what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna search for Intellect Digest and open the web page for you. I'm just gonna do a browser search. So this will Bing for Intellect Digest, and we'll click on the first result that we get here. Let's see how well it renders. It comes by default with the Internet Explorer browser for Windows Phone, which is the 8.1 version running here, and Microsoft has promised to give you Windows Phone update, so you will get Windows 10 very soon on this phone. So internet browsing experience, as you can see here, is good. You can also pinch to zoom, legibility is clear, the scrolling is smooth, and the overall interface is also very smooth. There is no stutter, or there is no hanging problem. There is no trouble when it comes to user interface and the software experience on the Lumia 640 XL. Talking about the call quality, signal reception and call quality has never been a problem with the Lumia series phones, and this one is no exception. There is full strength signal, and we are testing this on Airtel Delhi 3G network. Let me give you a call quality test to give you an idea of how clear the sound is.
Have been changed. Please listen carefully before making a choice. For mobile services,
one very interesting thing that you find only on Lumia series phones is this Skype button. So it comes with inbuilt Skype integration within the dialer, and you can switch to a Skype call if you have a contact saved with an email ID which has a Skype account integrated to it. You can just hit Skype here, and it will convert your voice call into a Skype data call where you can do video conferencing with the other person with the touch of a button without bothering about opening the app, logging in, etc. You just need to set it up once while you set up the phone. Summarizing my review of the Lumia 640 XL by Microsoft, I find this phone to be a well-designed phone. It comes with a beautiful display, it comes with a great set of cameras, a large battery, smooth and fluid software experience. It is a good value proposition at the price at which it is selling. It is a dual SIM phone. It comes with expandable memory and gives you a large real estate for fun, for productivity, and for running applications without straining your eyes. If you want to buy a Lumia 640 XL, I'm leaving a direct link to the Best Buy in the description section below. If you want to watch more videos on the Lumia 640 XL, I'm leaving a direct link in the description section below to the playlist where we have collected all these videos. So do check out the other videos as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for latest video updates, press the red subscribe button. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.